Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to fix slow download speeds in the Xbox app on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's get right into it. First, make sure no other apps are downloading in the background. If you're using Steam, Epic Games, or even Windows updates, pause those downloads. The Xbox app needs full bandwidth to work at its best. Next, open your Windows search bar and type in Windows Update Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Options. From there, select Delivery Optimization. Then open Advanced Options again and set it to use absolute bandwidth limits. This helps you control how much bandwidth Windows Update and background downloads can use, so the Xbox app isn't slowed down. If that doesn't help, you'll want to repair the Xbox app itself. Go to Search again and type in Apps. Open App Settings, then choose Installed Apps. Search for Xbox, click the three dots and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Repair. This process will check the app for problems without deleting your data. Once repair is complete, you can also try a full reset. Just scroll down a little further and click Reset. Keep in mind, this will remove app data and preferences, so make sure no downloads are in progress. After resetting, reopen the Xbox app and test your download speeds again. And that's it. With these steps, you should see faster and more stable download speeds on the Xbox app. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes.